Pickled red onions are a versatile and flavorful addition to many dishes, from tacos and sandwiches to salads and more. Here is a simple recipe to make your own pickled red onions at home. First, gather the ingredients: 1 large red onion, thinly sliced, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and optional additions such as garlic cloves, peppercorns, or herbs for extra flavor. Begin by preparing the brine. In a small pot, combine the apple cider vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. If you're using any optional flavorings like garlic or peppercorns, add them to the pot as well. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the pot from heat and let it cool slightly. While the brine is cooling, place the thinly sliced red onions in a clean glass jar. A mason jar works perfectly for this recipe. Pour the warm brine over the onions, ensuring that they are fully submerged. Use a spoon to press the onions down if necessary. Allow the jar to cool to room temperature before sealing it with a lid. Once the jar is sealed, place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to an hour before using. For the best flavor, let the onions pickle for at least 24 hours. Pickled red onions can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy these tangy, crunchy onions on a variety of dishes to add a burst of flavor and color.